That was such a dumb idea. Why did I do that? Oh no, now I have wet shoes for the rest of my run. It's a massive cat, it looks like it's on steroids. I'm being the chauffeur for my dad when he goes and gets some groceries and some stuff from the chemist today, which is peak excitement, really. And I haven't driven a car or manual in ages because in this city I don't have a car spot at my flat. And so there was this really close parallel park outside the chemist and I refused to try and made my dad walk like 3 minutes to go to the pharmacy because I didn't want to look like an idiot trying to do a parallel park. So sorry, Dad. And she revs it hard, and then she slams it down into second, and then she revs it up and revs it up and revs it up. Quick change to third, and then revs it more and more and more, and she's watching the rope how she's doing, and then she slams it into fourth, and then she goes off, and she's won the race. Okay, so this afternoon my dad's teaching me how to change the oil in his car because it needs a change. So we're going to put on some gloves and we're going to get to it. Okay, so we're going to use this pan to attach the old oil when we take the plug out from underneath the car. And we're going to put the plug back in and chuck some new oil in from the top and change over the filter, and hopefully through all that process I end up with no oil on me, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, scoot, scoot. Okay, so I've been told that if I pull it to the side, theoretically not much oil will get on my hands, but we'll see how it goes. It's been loosened so that I can just do it with my fingers. Theoretically.
You're tightening it up, you're going that way.
It a lot more than it's like waiting for you to just keep on going and then it's gonna go. It's quite a lot of oil, eh? Okay, so this is the filter from the top, and we have a tool to undo this really easily, but like all good tools, the second you need it, it's disappeared, and so it's starting to come loose now. So when this comes off, you can splodge oil a bit everywhere, which is not what you want on the engine. So theoretically, I turn it up, put this on it, and oil doesn't go everywhere, but we'll see how it goes because I've not done this before. That worked pretty well. Hey, it worked well! No oil! So I've got the new filter here and we've checked all the numbers to make sure it's the right thing. So I'm just going to take some new oil and rub it on the rubber seal just so it does up nicely. So nice and oiled up. And then we've just cleaned here to make sure there's no dirt because we don't want dirt on the nice new filter. And then it just does up gently. Sweet! Okay, so I'm going to pour the oil in. Oh jeez. Wow, it's a very different colour to the old oil, eh? So we've learnt from our mistakes this time, and we're putting the cloth over there so that I don't pour more oil on the battery, because that doesn't seem like the best idea. We'll just pour a little bit more in. So Dad's just cleaning up, helping me clean up where I spilt some oil. So we're spraying some CRC. So it'll be nice and clean. So we're just pouring the old oil into the empty container so that we can dispose of it properly. Okay, so we just ran the car to pump the oil through the filter and everything, and I'm just going to check the dipstick. So you wipe it the first time because it kind of splashes up when the car's running. When you pull it out, this one's a bit hard to read, but you can see that it's up to the little dot there, which means it's perfect. Look at my mama. Hello. Yeah. Come on, buddy, you gotta go.